Hello, my name's Danny. It's BigBoxLittleBoxUnbox, and I unbox everything from big tech to kids' toys and everything in between. Now, I also like gaming and streaming, big gamer. And yeah, basically last year was a tough year, 22, but now we're in 23, and because I didn't get the start I wanted to last year on the channel, hopefully we can go full steam this year. So it's time to start creating. So I left my job of 8 years to pursue this full time, and I take it very seriously. So yeah, if you are looking for some products to be unboxed, send me an email. All my contact details can be found on my profile on my website. And yeah, if you're looking for honest tech reviews and product reviews, this is definitely the place to come. And yeah, hopefully I can get your subscription, your like. As you can see, I like collecting lots of stuff, and yeah, let's make 2023 a good year. Again, I'm Danny, it's been Big Box, Little Box, Unbox, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Big Box, Little Box.